Hello everybody, this is Katerina, I'm Nordstrom Beauty Stylist and I'm already 2 years and have this channel and it's my first review products I like or not, should you spend money or not, because I'm working for Nordstrom. It's so hard to say like I don't like it. will be very polite, and in this video I'm gonna have a 3 gift giveaway. All what you need to do: subscribe my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, share one of my posts with your friends, yes, and then it just on my Instagram tag me or message me, Katerina giveaway, and probably January 1st I will announce 3 winners for my gift giveaway, and I will just put in a story. I think you wanna know what's my gift giveaway. Okay, let's start with this first, right? First gift, it's Chanel perfume Coco Mademoiselle, and it's 1.7. One of you will receive this for free. Again, follow me on Instagram, subscribe my YouTube channel, share my post, repost on your Instagram and message me on Instagram. Then another gift, I have a Christian Dior makeup bag, and inside we have a full mascara. It's here, and I forgot to mention I will send you home and it's free shipping. And then it's another gift giveaway, Estee Lauder makeup bag. Look how cute this is. And you have a full size cleanser, and you also have beauty's eye cream. It's vitamin C, fragrance free. Okay, it can be yours. All what you need to do: follow, subscribe, share and message me. Okay, let's start. Let's talk about product, which one I like, which one I do not like. Okay, first item, which one I really like it's brand Pause. This is my favorite tool for face 2022. It's very easy, it's very cooling, and it's FDA clear, non-aggressive. It's not gonna hurt you, but it's give you this nice lift. You can use on like under your eyes, on top your eyes to lift, and it just, like I say, I'll say inflammation staying on your face. It's amazing tool. It's amazing for inflammation, for lift. This costs around like $98 or $100. All products which one I will talk today will listed below, but this is my favorite tool. It's easy to use, and I do see result. I do see big difference. Woohoo, it's almost gone. I need to refresh my makeup set, my makeup, and this is one of my favorite 2022 makeup setting mist. Do you know why? Because I'm very allergic. I'm allergic like to so many different things, and this one, it's fragrance free. You can use for your face, you can use before makeup, after makeup, you can use for eyeshadow, and I really like it. Then I have another mist from Lancome, and if it's this one like costs less than $50, this is like, I feel it's double price or triple price. It's absolute extreme, and it's also final mist. But oops, I forgot I have allergies. It's a very strong smell, and again it costs more than $100. Absolutely, I will not spend money on this. No way. This one, it's 2-3 times less, and I really like. Now let's talk about eye makeup remover. I have Estee Lauder. It's one of my unfavorite, absolutely go to garbage. Hate it. It's not that I don't like it, I hate it. And now it's coming my favorite eye makeup remover. You're probably a little surprised about this, but yes, Chanel eye makeup remover, it's my favorite. Why I say surprised? Because you know I'm Lancome girls. I used to work for many years for Lancome and I always say buy facile, buy facile. But when I discovered this, it changed my life. Eye makeup remover Chanel, it's my favorite. If I ever quit work for Nordstrom, I will still buy this eye makeup remover, and I believe it's $32. Again, I will put all these products, which one I like it, list below. Then I bring in you two highlighters. We have one from Lancome and another one from MAC, and I have also like 3 palettes from MAC. This is, I feel, overpriced. It's like cost like one like 40 something dollars, where you can buy 3 different colors. It's gonna cost you almost the same. And again, MAC highlighter, to me they the best 2022. I really like them. I like to enjoy, I'm enjoying them. And you can use for the face, for the eyes, for your body. It just still. And it's time to talk about eyebrows. If you want to save money, I got you girls. This is the best brow pencil by Morphe. It's only $10. It's skinny, it can fill your eyebrows, it can make shade. It's all, again, only $8. I love them. I go to Morphe.com, I buy them, it's sent to my home, it's free shipping. But I save a lot of money, because you know some brow pencil just like this cost $27, $24, $30. It's insane. And this one, it's only $8. I really like. And now let's talk about my favorite powder. I actually discovered about this powder at the end of this year, and it's by Bare Mineral, and it's 16-hour skin perfecting powder foundation. Okay, fragrance-free, hyperallergenic, talc-free, gluten-free, vegan. It's around like 30 something dollars. Again, I will list product below, but because I have constantly like breakouts, because sensitive to sunscreen, this and that, this is powder saved my life, and it's a full coverage. I have a video where I talk about this powder. You will see, go to check, it's again Bare Minerals, this video. You will see how like cover my pigmentation, discoloration. You saved my life. I bought this year like 5 of them, because I have little bit discount at Nordstrom, and I bought 5. Little my dog barking, I think my son's coming home. Then I have a foundation, and I have foundation from La Prairie, Caviar Skin Foundation, Pekin SPF. This is foundation, and it's have a concealer, full coverage concealer, full coverage foundation. It costs more than $100. It costs, I believe, more than $150. A lot of people buy, a lot of people like this, but I be honest with you, it's, to me personally, I will not spend money on this foundation. Cookie, come on, stop. Okay, let's talk about primers. It's a newest Lancome primer. It is beautiful, compact, beautiful mirror, beautiful packaging, not too expensive. You know, girls, I'm Lancome girls, I really like it. It's so cute inside. I tried so many times. No, you know, like, and it feels like a silicone. I will say it's okay. I will not say I really like it. I will not say I do not like it. It's just really middle. I don't know why one day I will use this and I like, and another day I will apply and it's like my foundation will roll or just don't look good. I just don't know, maybe because of my skin or what, but again, it's okay. I'm telling you true, I'm very honest, because again, it's my first video where I review truly products, which one, it's a luxury products, we're selling most of them at Nordstrom, and like I give you my opinion, and please give me thumbs up, please subscribe me, or comments below, you criticize me, even if I don't speak correct English, just whatever, just tell me, Katerina, blah blah blah. I understand, but I love you all. Okay, what else should we do? Ooh, it's coming. This is I don't bought actually from Nordstrom. I bought this from Nordstrom Rack, and then I went to website and I really like it. Okay, brand Pure, and it's a blush book, 4-in-1. Look at this, oh, look at this amazing blushes. You can use this for highlighter, and believe me or not, it's so hard to find a beautiful pink eyeshadow. I use one day this on my eyes, and it's look incredible, and it's also paraben free, gluten free, talc free, vegan. I love this palette, and I just like, it's like 4 inside. You can see I'm so excited. I do like this. And then let's talk about foundation. I'm a girl who has pigmentation, discoloration, allergy reaction. My number one, my favorite foundation for liquid foundation, it will be Double Wear Estee Lauder, because it's fragrance free, it's not comedogenic, it's actually not much chemicals here, and it gives me this beautiful flawless skin. Yes, this is my favorite foundation 2022, and Bare Mineral, it's my favorite, it's powder, but together I feel like if you use this and on top powder, it can be a little bit heavy. I will not recommend for sheer powder. I will recommend, actually I have a samples. I do have this powder compact, I just don't know where it is, but I see on my table. For sheer powder, I really like Chanel. Let's talk about lips. If you're looking for red lip color and lip liner, I will suggest this beautiful set from Kylie. I believe it's like less than $40. You have lipstick, you have lip liner inside, and color which one I like for red lips, it's Mary Jo K number 402. I absolutely love how this products works together. A lip liner so soft, and red lipstick beautiful have color. And for lip liners, what do you like? I like a lot of lip liners, but my favorite lip liners, it will be from Lancome. This Lancome lip liners, it's coming with beautiful brush, it's waterproof, it stay all day long. One minus, we constantly sold out of some colors, but I really like it, and sometimes I will put on the entire my lips, and my lips, I will just entire my lips, and everybody will say, oh, I love your lipstick, but all what I have just lip liner. And let's talk about liquid eyeliner. I have from MAC. Look at this beautiful, gorgeous purple color. And I have from Clinique waterproof liquid eyeliner. Okay, I love colors here, but I don't like it. This brush, it's killing me. And my favorite, of course, it's Clinique. my favorite liquid waterproof eyeliner is this. But I'm gonna tell you true, I have one, it's like empty one, what I do, because I like color here and I don't like it how it goes with this brush. I will use my little bit old Clinique brush and I will take products from Clinique and I will apply it. And this is it, just I cannot find purple eyeliner like this liquid anywhere. It's like don't, yes and no. It's very tricky. But if you're looking for liquid eyeliner, black or brown, Clinique is my favorite, and price point I believe $22, $23. Oh my god, I love. I hope guys you're not yet bored, not tired. Okay, stay with me. Let's talk about primer for your lashes. We have Lancome and we have Chanel. Yes, this is my favorite. Like I always say, if I quit work for Nordstrom, I will still buy this primer. It's make a huge difference. It's my #1 primer. I'm serious, I will 100% will recommend everyone. And then I have Chanel primer. It's a little bit more expensive. It's okay, it's nothing special between two of these. Of course, Lancome. And remember guys, gift giveaway. Subscribe, comments below, tag me on Instagram, subscribe my Instagram, and of course reach me on Instagram, not on YouTube channel. You're not gonna qualify. You must reach me on Instagram. Give me your name, and then January 1st, me and my daughter, we're gonna have a whole bucket with your names. Yes, and we're gonna choose 3 winners in front of you. We're not gonna cheat, and I will put in a story. Yeah, I will have in the story again January 1st. Let's get excited. Chanel, Dior, and Estee Lauder. Okay, I am finishing this video with my favorite serum, Augustin Bar. It's my favorite serum 2022 because it feels good. I don't break out, I don't have any allergy reaction, and it's clinically proved. This brand, all products, it's clinically proved. What it means, it's help you with lines, wrinkles, and it's not just blah blah blah. They clinically prove. Again girls, if you like this video, please give me thumbs up, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. I have for you little gift giveaway, and I will see you on the next 2023 year. And if you want me to make more videos like this, I will. Just let me know. Love you, mocha and ice cream. Happy New Year, and I will see you January 1st. Oh, I will say we're gonna have Instagram. I'm gonna put in story with my daughter 3 winners. Okay, love you, bye.